buyers get a better deal without an agent. It's a common myth that buyers can score a better deal if they don't work with a real estate agent. After all, why pay a commission when you could just negotiate directly with the seller, right? Well, let's take a step back and consider this. In most transactions, the seller actually pays the commission for both their agent and the buyer's agent. So from a cost perspective, hiring an agent doesn't really change the price you'll pay for a home. In fact, working with a buyer's agent can give you an edge in negotiating better terms and potentially even a lower purchase price. Buyer's agents know the market inside and out. They can help you identify properties that match your needs and budget, and they can advise you on things like property value, neighborhood dynamics, and potential issues with a home. They're there to represent your best interests and will negotiate on your behalf. Plus, their access to MLS listings means you'll see more properties, some of which may not be available to the general public. But the real value of an agent comes in the form of their expertise when it comes to paperwork, legalities, and closing procedures. Real estate transactions involve a lot of paperwork, and missing just one important detail could be costly. A buyer's agent ensures that everything is handled professionally, and that your interests are protected throughout the entire process. So, no, working without an agent doesn't automatically guarantee a better deal. It's actually a risky move that could leave you with less than you bargained for.